interesting chapter for you, and this chapter is of 4th class. The name of the chapter is The Missing Hours. Now, do you believe in UFOs? What is the full form of UFOs? Do you believe in aliens? Did you ever see any kind of alien? The full form of UFO is unidentified flying object. It looks like a saucer, and it is the spaceship of aliens. So this story tells us about the existence of aliens, that they really exist in this world, like you and me. So one day, it was a very cool night, and it was a very cool December night, when a couple, the name of that couple is Mr. and Mrs. Day, they were going somewhere. And all of a sudden, they didn't know what happened. But when they got up, they fell asleep. And when they came back from when they got up, they were different only. They didn't know what has actually happened. It was 3 hours when they were sleeping. They actually slept for 3 hours, and when they came back, when they woke up, they were completely feeling very different. So then they decided to give an interview. They decided to give an interview about their experience, that what had actually happened. So the reporters came to them and asked. The reporters came and inquired about what had happened actually. So then they said that for 3 hours, they were in a different world only. Like they could not move, and they were not in their world, and they were in a spaceship. They said that when Mr. Day, he said that when he was driving the car, all of a sudden a bright light flashed upon him, and in a moment he was in a spaceship. Both husband and wife gave the same kind of they shared the same kind of experience only, and they gave the same kind of reason only, and they gave the same kind of declaration only, that what had actually happened with them. So then the husband said that he was in a spaceship, and he was encircled by very tall aliens. They were actually 7 feet or more than that, and 3 aliens more were there, and they were also there, but they were not so tall as compared to the other ones, and they were having a pen-like thing with them, like a sharp instrument, and they were trying to touch that man with that pen-like instrument. Then Mr. Day said that all of a sudden I could see a grey light, and with that grey light I saw an incredibly beautiful woman. Incredibly beautiful woman means a very, very beautiful woman that we cannot even imagine. A very beautiful, just like an angel. Then that woman was coming to that man, and that man also got up, and he was also trying to approach, but all of a sudden that woman vanished, don't know where. Then Mrs. Day, she also shared the same kind of experience. She said that she was also encircled by 7 feet tall aliens or more than that, and they were not ferocious at all. They were wearing silver grey suits, very skinny kind of, and they were also very tall. The aliens were really very tall, and they were friendly. They were not rude at all. They were very friendly kind of aliens. So then they showed them England. They even showed them their own house with the help of that UFO only, with the help of that window glass present in the UFO. They showed their house, they showed England, and they showed many other places also. Then Mr. Day and Mrs. Day said that we would like to go home back. In a moment, they were back into the car. So this was a wonderful experience. They said that we met very friendly kind of aliens, and it was a very funny moment. It was a very good moment that we would never forget. So this is a real story. This is not a fake one, but this is a real story. And after that, the couple said that we never used to believe in UFOs, we never used to believe in aliens, but after this incident, we started believing. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the chapter. I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you so much.